Derivation of what? The laws of what? Logarithm part 7, of course, which I've been looking at the derivation of the 7th law of logarithm. The 7th law of logarithm. And the 7th law of what? Logarithm states that the log of 1 to a particular base, which must be greater than what? 1 is equals to 0. That is the log of 1 to base A, where A is what? Not equals to 1, but greater than what? 1. Could be any value, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. The answer must be equals to what? 0. Log 1 to base what? A, where A is greater than 1 is equals to 0. Interpreting or expressing this mathematically, we have what? The log of what? 1 to base A is equals to what? 0. On the condition that what? A is greater than what? 1. That is, with the exclusion of what? 1. Every other word makes, are you then makes what? This law to be what? Real. Our task in this particular addiction is to see to the what? The derivation of this particular law, the 7th law of what? Logarithm. To do this, we must reflect to one of the laws of indices, which I have been able to do justice to in the series of what? The derivation of the laws of indices. I think that should be the what? The 4th law. The 4th law states that any real what? Number that is assigned with a 0 power diminishes to what? 1. In other words, anything raised to power 0 is equals to what? 1. Dwelling with this consciousness, I think we can say the log of what? 1 to base A, we can prove further, is equals to 1. Let us say the base now, which is A raised to power 0, is 1 according to that law of what? Indices. What does that imply? It implies that anywhere I see what? 1, I can as well put what? A raised to power what? 0 in this particular what? Expression. If that is true, are you there? The log of what? 1 to base A is as good as what? The log of, in the place of 1, I think I can put what? A raised to power what? 0. Are you there? To what? The original base, which is what? Base what? A. Log of what? A raised to power 0. Are you there? To base what? A. Good. Now proceeding forth, we have the log of what? 1 to base what? A now is equals to one of the derivation of what? The laws of logarithm I gave. I think that should be the second what? Law of what? Logarithm. And it says that the logarithm of the n power of what? A number is equals to what? The power which is n divided by what? The so n times what? The number. That is the log of A raised to power what? N to base what? B is equals to n times what? Log A to base B. Remember, or let us recall. Let us recall that what? The log of what? A raised to power what? N to base what? B is as good as what? This n multiplying the number log A to base what? B. So if that is true, it means that what? Log A raised to power 0, the 0 will come to the power at the back and act as a multiple to what? The log. So applying that, we have the log of 1 to base A is now equals to 0 times what? That is 0 coming to the back. 0 times what? The log of A to base what? A. Therefore, log what? 1 to base what? A is equals to 0 times everything here will give us what? 0. Indeed, the 7th law of logarithm is what? Authenticated. Is what? Right. That indeed the log of 1 to base what? A, where A must be greater than what? 1 is equals to what? 0. Please do not forget to what? Like, comment, share, and of course follow up for the derivation of the laws of what? Logarithm. In this case, part what? 8. Where we shall be what? Deriving the what? The 8th what? Law of what? Logarithm. God bless you. Love you.